this video, we will see how to restore Wordpad in your Windows 11 machine. If you don't have one already, let's see how to get it. On my machine, I don't have Wordpad with me. The link is in the description box. Get the files from there. Okay, I will download this to a temporary folder for now. Okay, we have the files. Let's unzip those. Cut all these three files and let's go back to C drive, Windows NT, accessories, and paste all of those here. Now you have WordPad on your machine. So if you want, you can also use this as a shortcut on your desktop. So you can just simply go send it to desktop and you have the shortcut now. And you can also pin it to your taskbar from here. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and see you in the next one.